Okay, let's check it out. Some of them in the rear I was able to fix, like the one right there, because it was okay actually. But those right here, you have a lot of errors, all right? And I'll tell you why. If you look at it right here, for example, beam right here, it is not even attached, okay? And the reason is because you have, see, that shouldn't be like that. That should be going all the way. That face has no reason to be here whatsoever. You see, that face has no reason to be here whatsoever. Now, if you look at it, it seems to me that you have multiple edges and stuff like that. So, for example, that one, no. It's slow because I'm recording at the same time, alright? And I'm recording in like HD, so because of that, it'll be very slow. See, you seem to me that you have multiple edges for some type of reason. Yeah. There is another prime right here, same thing. So you see, your mesh basically is just not done properly. It's now manifold, basically. That's what it is. Okay, so you need to redo all those pieces. That's very important. I told you that before, actually. So that's very important. Now, a second issue also you have is that it is just way... See right here, it's way too pointy. Look how pointy that is right there. Your wireframe, let me put it in wireframe unshaded, you know, is not evenly spaced, all right, evenly spaced, okay? So you need to redo that for sure. Make sure you always soften your normals also, but that will work only really well when, you know, in reality those legs should be more like that, dude. You know, rounder. Alright, so you gotta rework all that. Beside that, it's not too bad. You did okay actually. So fix that mesh non-manifold. The arm are okay, but this is big time non-manifold. You need to poke that up too. Okay, so you're losing a lot of point. That needs to be poked also. Alright, so you go into the mesh tool, edit mesh, and you go to face, and there's a poke right here. Okay, that's important that you do that right here. Okay, so lose a couple points for that. Now let me look at your unwrapping. Yeah, but I wanted those to be done. It's not unwrapped. See that on themselves. You need to cut. They need to be done by themselves, basically, one after the other. So if you go, you need to do that one by themselves, basically, like that. Alright, and then on, see, it's not done properly. I can see that it's left, right. It's okay, you know what I'm saying, but on top of each other's, but that's not good enough for this class. So you need to basically make sure you first of all you put the proper amount of edges, and then when you're done, you do that, and you say, let's say I'm gonna do a Z. Okay, so you create your UVs, you go in planar mapping, and you go in Z and you apply it. All right, and after that you figure out where you want to open it up, and let's say we're going to open it up from the inside. Always better, you won't see it much, so we take, you should have an edge right in the middle. See, yours is not completely in the middle, but it's not bad. I go all the way there, we're good. And then we're going to open it up. And then after that, we are going to select the UVs. So I can select some UVs. Let me see. Hold on here. There you go. I want to see where they are. There you go. And then select shell. So I can have an actual shell only. You know, I can move it so you can see it, and the rest is the others basically. All right. And then after that, you just unwrap it, unfold it. That's much better, as you can see, because now you have only one seam that is inside and not two seams. This is the complete thing basically, so that's much better. That's the way you need to do it, big time. All right, so for the rest you gotta do it like that. Okay, and for the texture, it's probably because you have a texture that is probably a pink. And Maya very often when it deals with pink, yeah, it's in a transparency, right? You know, when it deals with pink, ping, basically, he'll use the black as an alpha channel. Okay, so don't use ping. Okay, thank you.